Hello, today I'm going to show you how students can use sheets, strips, and singles to add and subtract numbers that go into 3 digits. Earlier in the year we learned about strips and singles, so students are being introduced to sheets, which are 100. For example, let's take a look at this equation, 213 plus 122. When I look at 213, I think about place value, and that the 2 is in the 100's place, the 1 is in the 10's place, and the 3 is in the 1's place. So I can represent this number using sheets. The 2 tells me that there are 200 in this number, 100, 200, and there's 1 strip of 10 and 3 singles. So 213. Now if I want to add another number using sheet, strips, and singles, I would draw out that second number. There's a 1 in the 100's place, which tells me 100. There's a 2 in the 10's place. So I'm going to draw 2 strips of 10. And that there is a 2 in the 1's place. Now that I have represented my number in my drawings, I'm going to count them all up. However, students are encouraged to begin with the largest place value, which is the hundreds, and count them up. Then count up your 10s and then your 1s. So let's see. That's 100, 200, 300, 310, 320, 330, 333, 335. Students are encouraged to think about the process of solving a problem and thinking about place value, as there's more importance put into that work than there is on getting the right answer. Because we are working up to numbers to 1,000, at times it can get very confusing with place value. So representing these numbers through sheets, strips, and singles is a way for students to be more thoughtful and be able to check their work easily. We'll be learning different strategies for solving up to 1,000, including the number line and breaking up the numbers. So students will be encouraged to choose a strategy they feel most successful with. But at this time, this is the strategy that students are encouraged to use. Now it does look different when we are subtracting. Students will draw out the first number and then subtract the second number. So we're not going to be drawing both sets of numbers that we did for addition. So 330 is shown here, 330, and now I can break up 110 into one group of 100 and one group of 10. So I'm going to take away my 100. I'm going to take away my group of 10 and see what I have left. 1, 200, 210, 220.